Blackberry ice cream. Ingredients: 24 ounces fresh blackberries, rinsed and patted dry, about 4 cups, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 cups heavy cream, 14-ounce sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Method: add the blackberries to a blender and pulse until fully pureed. You want a smooth, juicy consistency. Press the puree through a fine mesh sieve and discard the pulp. You should have about 2 cups of liquid. Transfer the liquid to a medium saucepan, add in the sugar, heat over medium-high heat until reduced and thickened, about 5 minutes, stir occasionally. Transfer to a bowl and refrigerate until cold, about 2 hours. Add the heavy cream to a large bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat until stiff peaks form. Turn the speed to low and slowly pour in the condensed milk. Add the vanilla extract. Turn the speed back up to high and beat until thickened. Transfer 2 cups of the whipped cream to a separate bowl. Add in the cooled puree and mix until well combined. Gently fold into the remaining whipped cream to create swirls. Don't overmix or you will lose the swirls. Transfer to a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 6 hours.
Next video is coming to you soon. Look forward. Subscribe to this channel and like and comment your idea if you like the video. Thank you for watching.